Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Las Vegas demo. I will show the steps that you need to take before the demo import. On this domain I have installed the theme and the theme included plugins. The next step is to activate the theme, so I will add here my license code. I will press check license and my theme is now activated. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for those icons to be imported along with the demo content, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. I will show. You will need to go to plugins, click add new, look for the SVG support plugin. This is the plugin that you need to install. I will activate the plugin. Next, I will set it to apply only from admin. These are the steps that you need to take before the demo import. Next, I will proceed with the Las Vegas demo import. I will go to WPResidence options, import demo section. Here you will find all available demos. I will look for the Las Vegas demo. This is the one. I will click import demo. Click continue and import. The import process might take a few minutes. The demo content was imported. I will now click visit site. The content of the demo is now visible. You can see the home page and other demo elements. Now I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. I will start with theme options. Here you will be able to replace the demo settings with your own. You will be able to change the theme logo with your own, set price and currency, set the details for the contact page. In map section, you will need to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If you will select Google Maps, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in theme options. You will be able to set colors and other design elements. In advanced, you will be able to make settings for site speed, settings for emails and other settings. In membership, you will be able to set submission settings and also set payment methods for your site. You will be able to choose between PayPal and Stripe from the theme, or enable WooCommerce and use any WooCommerce add-on that you want. In search section, you will be able to manage the settings for the theme search form. Here you will be able to set the type and make settings. Currently in homepage we use a search form builder, so the settings here will not apply, but they will apply on any other pages that have a search form. Next, you will need to set permalinks. You will need to go to settings, permalinks. You will need to set them to post name. And these are the settings that you need to take. Next, I will go to homepage. Here you will need to make some manual adjustments. In this section, we use a widget for property categories, and you will need to manually upload an image for each category used in the widget. I will show the steps that you need to take. First, I will show the widget used on the page. Since the page was created with Elementor, you will need to click Edit with Elementor. This is the section. We use the WPResidence Grids widget and we set it to display areas. I will go to admin. Under properties, you will find all property categories, category, type, city, neighborhood, county, state, features and amenities, and status. I will go to neighborhood, and to upload images, I will need to edit the category. Press upload image. You will be able to select an image from media or upload one from your device. I will upload one from my device. I will press insert into post and click update. The same steps will need to be made for each category displayed on homepage. I will add the other image of the record and after show the result. I added all images and now the section shows correctly. These are the steps that you need to take after the demo import. Next, I will give some quick guidelines on how to edit the homepage content. I will go back to the Elementor editor for the homepage. I will enable Navigator so I can have better access to each homepage section. So I will start with the first section, which is the header one. I will open the section and here you will be able to change settings. The image was set as a background image for a column. From Style section you will be able to remove this image and upload a new one. Also you will be able to change the text on the image. The search over the header was created with the search form builder. You will be able to add tabs and change fields. In the next section we created a Who We Are section with an image that you can change from Style section and a text that you can also edit. You can make changes for the button. The next section is the section that I described previously. We used the WPResidence Grids widget. You can change the category and display the one that you want. Also, you can change this text. Below in the section you will have the counter Elementor widget. You will be able to change settings and the text. For this section we added a background color and you can change it from the column settings. Here you can change the color. Going to the next section you will have the properties section. Here we used the WPResidence items list, which will display your latest listings. You will be able to make settings, change the number of items and the number of items per row. Also you will be able to add filters. Going to the next section, here we have created a section with Elementor widgets for icons and text. Here we added SVG icons, but you can select ones from Font Awesome or upload your own SVG icon. And also you will be able to edit the text. You will need to do this for each section. For this section we have set a background color as well, and you will need to check the first column settings to change this color. Next you will have the testimonials section. Here we use the WPResidence testimonial widget. You will be able to change the name, text, images and other settings for the widget. You will need to do this for each widget. Next we have created a section with a contact form and text. The contact form was created with the contact form builder widget. You will be able to change fields and email settings. Also in the second column you will be able to change the text. For the last section in the page, we have created a section to display blog posts. We have used the WPResidence blog post list widget. You will be able to change the post categories, the number of items and make other settings. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.